In a previous video, we set up a team, and that's this chef team. And this is where we set up a project here for our chef recipe app. If you skipped this video, you can click here to set up a new team and name this team whatever you want. I'm going to hit cancel here because I already have one created, but if you haven't, go ahead and create this team. And once you do, you'll get this little view here for your team. And you can see inside of this chef's team, I have one project here, but I don't have any team members working with me. To really harness the power of Figma, I want to invite a new team member here. So I'm going to click on this invite a team member, and I'm just going to type in somebody's email. You can type in multiple people's email in this text field, and then you can choose what access they have to the projects inside of this team. So whether they're an admin of the team, or they can edit any projects within this team, or only view. So here I'm going to give them admin access, and I'll just click invite here. Their name and their avatar is going to be grayed out until they accept my invite. And once they do, they'll see the same team here when they log into Figma. They'll see all the projects that you're seeing, and they can click at any time and edit regardless of if someone already has this project open.
If you have any questions or would like help throughout this course, feel free to add me as a team member inside of your projects as well. You can add me at caleb@brainspin.com. And once I accept your invite, you will be able to use the comment feature to ask me specific questions, and I can jump in and help you resolve them.
After she's accepted the invite, you can see the name and avatar here. So now if I click on my chef recipe project here, we can see that we have these two files here, and we've invited one member to our team. And now we can see Marlene is in this file here. So if I want to collaborate with her, I can double click, and you'll see her mouse here and her avatar here saying that she's actually interacting with the design. So now we're going to ask her to drag this home artboard around, and you can see her dragging that live. And if you want to follow her mouse while she's doing that, just click on her avatar here, and it'll follow her as she interacts with things. So maybe drag that back up to the top here, and you get a nice view here of what she's doing. And this is really helpful if your background has 100 artboards and you're not sure where she's interacting with a certain artboard. Just click on this name here, and it'll zoom the canvas right into where she's working. So now I've asked Marlene to add some text into the sign in and sign up buttons, so she's going to go ahead and do that now. And while she's filling in that content, I can style this for her. So let me zoom in here, and I can see that she already typed this sign in button, so I can go in here and change this to be white, change the font size to be 16, and if I want to start out with this size, I can hold down Option Command C to copy this style, Option Command V to paste it over here, and then I just want to change this color. So I'm going to change this to the same orange right here and get started here. So you can see how easy and how close I can be designing with her as she's creating content and I'm stylizing it. And then I can go and hold down Option and bring this text over here for sign in and here for sign in. And this is also very helpful if you're on an online screen sharing session with a client or with a collaborator, to have them open up the Figma as you are, and you guys both designing together as you're discussing your project is very powerful and very helpful.